Do you know the secret that made Classmate the favorite brand of notebooks of students in India? What was the master plan that worked for Classmate? Let me tell you, Classmates offer an accessible price to students and teachers from all socio-economic backgrounds. The Classmate notebooks are also durable and long-lasting, providing value for money. Classmate has a strong presence in retail stores, also have an active e-commerce channel, allowing them to reach a wide audience across India. But this wide range of products, affordable prices and high-quality materials, none of these was their USP. Rather, it was something very simple. The company conducted market research to understand the specific requirements of Indian students and used the information to develop a strategy that made Classmates stand out. They targeted the school and college students and designed the notebooks with the things students are interested in, like unknown facts, historical places, jokes and puzzles. They printed it on both the front and back cover of their notebooks, and bingo, it made a Classmate notebooks more interesting than other notebooks. For more videos like this, follow me and turn on post notifications. Thank you.